If you are looking for a way to make good money out of the market every day, then this strategy is for you. Hello traders, welcome to KinFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor. I want you to watch this video to the end. Then, if it doesn't worth it, drop your comment under the comment section or unsubscribe to this channel. You understand? So, how does these strategies work? Like I always said, if you are trading, there must be reason why and what tells you to put on that particular trade. You have to have your confluence, some things you look up to before you enter the trade. You understand? You know, I know you have been hearing price action, price action. People talk about price action works best. You understand? But if you can know how to represent, how to interpret price action with indicators, you are good to go. You understand? Some indicators come up at the back end, it's back up with price actions. You understand? All these indicators is being done by some professionals. They are very good in price actions. So don't let me talk too much. Let's go straight to the strategy. You understand? Let me delete everything on my chart and let's add it back together so that we can have a very clear understanding about the strategy. The first thing we are going to add is moving average on the main chart. And the moving average is 20 period. It's 20 period method exponential. I'm like using blue on the main chart, then click on done. If you do that correctly, you should have something like this. Let's increase the pixel. Let's use 4 pixel. So you should have something like this on your chart. By now, you should know what the trend line is working. What the moving average is working for. It's actually working for the trend to tell us when the market is buying and when the market is selling. So, for the sake of people that doesn't know, anytime you see this moving average below the candle, it tells you the market is buying, and anytime it's above the candle, just like this, it tells you the market is selling. So let's continue. The next indicators to add is relative strength index RSI, which tells us when the market is overbought and oversold. So what are the parameters? These are the parameters. So come to the levels. These are the levels 90, 80, 50, 20, 10. So under the 80, you can put up, say, you can label it 50 TP, 10 by, you understand? So you can choose any color of your choice, then come back. Here are the style. Choose background color of your chart. If you are using dark background, choose black. If you are using white like mine, choose white. Then click on done after that. Let's go back to the chart. If you have something like this, you can see the year has been labeled sell. When the market buy to this level, we expect it to sell. And when the market sell to this level, we expect it to buy. So we have our confluences, what we are looking for before we take trade. So I'm going to explain that in details. So we go back to the indicator the indicator window one, and then we add moving average. The first moving average we are going to add is the fast moving average, which is the one period one. Shift 0 method exponential apply to close. I like using green for fast EMA. Let me reduce the preset to 2. Leave it like this, then click on 1. If you go back to your chart, you should see something like this. You understand? So let's go back to the indicator. So under the indicator window again, we have to add another moving average, which is going to be 5 days period. So we are changing the color. That is the only thing we are changing now. Changing the color to another thing. Let me pick this color. You can use any color of your choice, then click on done. So under this indicator window again, let's first look at if you have something like this. So the remain one indicators to add under this indicator window. So come back to the indicator, click on the F plus, click on the moving average again. Then we need 10 here, period 10. So choose different color again. So you can choose red. So any color of your choice. So if everything is being done correctly, you should have something like this on your chart. So, How do we trade now? So, what are the confluences? What are we looking at before we place a trade? Number one, this strategy gives you the opportunity to stay long in the market. You can see on my chart that this is 30-minute time frame. This is not a scalping strategy. You understand? So, because like I said, if you want to make good money in the market, so what are we looking for? Is double top. You understand? It's double top. What is double top? Let me quickly bring out my tools, my drawing tools to show you how double tops looks like. This is how double top look like if if you are selling. This is how it looks like if you are selling double top. The price will come back and come the price when price is in uptrend, it will tell you want to sell and price will go back to the entry point again before selling. Why double top double bottom when buying? You understand? Take note of that. Double bottom when you are buying and double top when you are selling. Some people actually call it fee strategy because this is how it's going to be at the end of the day. Like it's going to be like this. You understand? So if you want to understand much of that, you can subscribe to my mentorship. But don't worry about that. This strategy is going to continue. So now, how do we know the market is selling? Now the market, the price, recent strategy here, the price has come to this overbought region, and you can see here. So what can you see? You can see that the price has formed a double top. You understand? Like I explained, when price is coming up, it will tell you want to buy and go back to the entry point. This is where your area of interest. You understand? Because price has tell you that you want to sell here, then it went back to the entry point so that you can put on your entry, then you sell. So after confirming that the price has tells you when the price was enter here, it come back like you want to sell, then it go back. So now what are you going to be waiting for? And you can see on the chart that price has performed the double top already. So what are you going to be waiting for your entry? You'll be waiting for the price to break the moving average here. All the condition has already complete here, so just for the price to close below this, then you enter for your sell. That's all. You enter for your sell. Price will first enter here. Let me explain again. Enter the overbought, then it tells you that you want to sell, then it go back. Once it go back, that is where you'll be preparing to sell. And this is the condition to meet up. These are the conferences before you put on the trade to sell. So let's look for another example so that it can be well clear. Okay, we have another one here. You can see that price come out here. Price has entered the oversold region here. You can see that clearly. Price enter the oversold region here. Then the price come out that you want to buy. You can see. Then it come back into this region. That is where you'll be waiting for your buy. Then once you see this candle, you enter for buy. This is where your stop loss should ever be. You understand? Because this is the immediate structure. So once you place your buy here, you see this little pullback, then you're in big profit, bigger one. You understand? That is how this simple strategy is. You can see this one too. The price tells you it's going to sell, then it come back into this channel, to this overbought channel, then you can see that on the chart too. You enter your trade from here. That is professional way to trade. You understand? So if you can master this strategy, you will be bringing out good money out of the market. It's not about $1, $2. You understand? You'll be bringing out good money out of the market because once you get a even one or two signal is okay in a week. Yes, in a week because it's going to give you more good money to trade. You understand? To as a profit, you're going to cash more money as a profit. So guys, I want you to master this strategy. Anything that doesn't clear to you, please send me a DM. My WhatsApp link is under the description of this video. You can drop the comments. I will still go ahead and explain again because this strategy is very, very okay. So, guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsibly.